Hello, welcome to the demo presentation on how to use the clocking feature on the Zeon Academy Pro app. So to use the feature, the first is you have to log in as the universal admin or the admin of any branch. Once you log in as the admin, you can click on the menu, you can click on manage students. Manage students is where you can get the ID cards of your children in different classes. So if you want to generate your ID card for students in JSS 1, you click on view students. It shows you all the students that are in JSS 1. You can click on action and you can generate the QR code for every child in JSS 1 class. Also, you can also generate an ID card, a student info ID card for everybody in the class. Or for this particular child, if you want to generate the ID card for just this child, you click on action and you click on generate ID card QR code for just the child. So you can generate it for only the child. So once this ID card has been generated, shared across the classes or to the different students, you can now use the ID cards to clock in the children into different events. To do that, you click on menu and you scroll down to clock in and clock out on the navigation, clock in and out. So once you click on clock in and out, it takes you to where you can create multiple events on clocking in the children. So already we have a school bus event created. Let's create a new event. Let's call it school premises. So you create the event school premises, assign the staff that you want to be able to do the event. So if you can change the staff at any time. It can be staffs that are on duty, so you can choose the staffs that are on duty and assign it to the event. Once you change the next week, you can use another staff that is on duty to assign to the event. So once we are done assigning the staff for the event, you click on create event. So as soon as you create the event, automatically the staff, once they log in and go to clock in, they'll be able to see school premises as an event that they can clock in a child for. To clock in a child for school premises event, you click on view event. View event is where you can see those that have been clocked in on different days. So by default, it gives you today's date, shows you the title of the event, school premises, shows you students clock in, students clock out. That's where you see the list of students. So this is where you see the list of students that you have clocked in, then this is where you see the students that you have clocked out. Now to do the event, all you need to do is to click on clock in. Once you click on clock in, it asks you to request for a camera. There you can now put the QR code ID card of the child. So once the camera captures it, automatically it just rotates and saves the child information, and immediately you will get a notification that your child has been clocked into that event. So it shows you the details of the child. Sorry, I did clock in. So it shows you the details of the child. That's the picture, the name of the child, the class, the age, the teacher that scanned it, the time it was scanned, and you can delete the event. So if you want to clock out the child of this event, like the child is leaving the school, you click on clock out. So it's still that same event. Then you just scan the ID card of the child with the camera. So once it notifies you and also tells you that you have been clocked out. The parent gets the notification that the child has been clocked out of school, and now you can also see the clock out and clock in of each of the children. So once you are done with the event, that is all. So you just keep clocking in or clocking out the different children on that particular event. So majorly, to clock in a child or clock out a child, all you need to do is you go to the menu, you click on the clock in and clock out. Already the ID cards has been distributed to the children, or they are coming with it, or is a sticker that has been printed in any form. You can now come to the particular event you want to clock in or clock out, and you can now click on clock in or you click on clock out to clock out the child on that particular event. Once this is done, the parents get a notification that the child has been clocked in or clocked out on the particular event. Thank you very much.